Hello, I'm Professor Thomas. Today we are learn about inheritance in Java. In object-oriented programming, inheritance is an important one. Inheritance is nothing but one class extends the properties of another class. One class extends the properties of another class. For example, we have the parent-child relationship. The child class extends the properties of parent class. Normally, the child one has implicit have the behavior of parent class. Likewise, the child class extends some properties of parent class, can use the properties of the parent class. The child class may also contain its own property, but can also extend the properties of its parent class. Also, one class inherit or use the properties of another class. One class inherit or use the properties of another class. A new class was created from an existing one. And one new class was creating from an existing one. We can use the extends keyword. In Java, we use the extend keyword to inherit a class. In Java, we use the extends keyword to inherit a class. For example, we have class A and class B. The class B extends class A. The class B extends class A. We use the keyword extends. The class A is called the base class. The class A is called the base class or superclass. The class B is called derived class or subclass. This class B is called derived class or subclass. Normally we call in Java superclass A and the subclass B. Now we can see with one more example. In this example, we have two classes A and B. The class A contains two variables x and y. The class B extends A. The class B extends A. The class B contains void add functions. We just add x and y. Because class B extends A, it can use the variable of A, x and y. Because the class B extends A, it can use the class A variable x and y. We just add x and y. Now we have the main class sample 6. We created object for B. Object dot add. We just printed the addition of x plus y. The class A inherited by class B. The class B use class A variable x and y because we are inherited with extends keyword. If not, we cannot use x and y. The class B add the class A variable. The class B object can easily access the class A variable, because we inherited the class B inherit the class A, so that we can easily access the class A variable. The class B can easily access the class A variable because we inherit the class B inherit the class A variable. We already learned about the definition for constructor, types of constructor, and overloading methods. The video link are provided in the description of this video. Thank you. Subscribe our channel and follow our videos.